What's up YouTube? Today is going to be a special video. Unlike my last few videos of the ZX-4RR covering all the features and specs, today it is only going to be a ride with the raw stock sound. Just a good old-fashioned video of the ride along with the exhaust sound. For those watching my video for the first time, let me introduce this beautiful machine really quick. This is the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR, one of 5 in India, a very rare and special bike in the middleweight segment. It revs to 16,000 RPM with the inline-4 engine producing 77 horsepower. Subscribe to this channel if inline-4 engines and Japanese bikes in general appeal to you. Alright, without any further ado, let's go for a ride on the ZX-4RR. I know that there is some wind noise. I'm still figuring out the best way to capture the pure sound of this machine and of course change the exhaust sometime later this year to make it a better sounding bike. The pickup is good in the first gear, and if you are stuck in traffic, even the second gear will pull you through very easily. You can see that I don't feel the need to reach the top gears because of the wide rev range across the lower gears. Somebody asked me the other day, with power numbers like these, does the front wheel go up if I push the throttle too much? I don't know yet. It could be in a different riding mode maybe, with the ABS and traction control switched off, but I haven't tried that yet. I only rode the bike in road and rain mode so far. There is a sports mode and then there is a rider mode, which is the customized riding mode. Both I'm yet to explore. Hopefully in the next video I will show you some roller shots so you can see the beauty of this bike as I ride. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do, and stay strong, be kind and ride safe. This is your riding brother, Tech and Rider signing off. See you in the next one. Cheers.